Hey, good morning, everyone. How's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, actually, that doesn't really matter, but this is what I'm going to show you here. But it's a Ford Explorer. It came in, needs a transmission. You ever get somebody's car in and you look at something that somebody's done and you just sit there and you shake your head and you're just like, why? Why? So, this thing has a factory trailer hitch. It's the bumper beam. It's not the bumper itself, it's the bumper beam. That's the trailer hitch. I forgot what class they call these things. I'm just reading something here. It's probably like 5,000 pound rating, class, whatever. I don't know. I don't know the classes of trailer hitches. But it's got the 2-inch square. I happen to come to the back of the car and I'm looking and I'm just like, why? Why? Totally blown away. Let me show you what I got here. This is just, I've never seen this before. Check this out. Really? What's the point of that? That's a good heavy-duty sturdy hitch. That beam is the same as this. This beam attaches to the frame. This attaches to the frame. This, it's a 6-cylinder Ford Explorer. What are you towing with this thing to where you thought that the factory hitch wasn't strong enough? It's not like somebody added a ball like you could do to the old pickup trucks, where you could add a ball to the actual bumper itself, and those weren't super strong. I mean, they were good enough for certain things, but you're not going to sit there and tow a camper with it. Well, you can, but like up to certain weights. It's not like it's this type of a class rating hitch. I mean, this is a Kurt hitch, the bottom one, and tongue weight 500 pounds, weight distribution 8,000 pounds, gross trailer weight 5,000 pounds. I guarantee you this one's the same. I doubt very highly there's anything about this hitch that's any better than this hitch. And I already had this thing up in the air. Let me put it up in the air for you. This way I could show you. But I see something like this and I shake my head, like, why? What's the reason for it? There isn't any. There is no reason for it. Unless somebody was told something incorrectly. But here is that Kurt hitch. Here is the factory hitch. That piece there. It goes into the frame. And if I'm not mistaken, the factory one's also welded in place. I mean, it's bolted, but I think it's also welded. See how like this perch is welded there? I want to say the factory one has the same thing. Of course, I can't tell because it's blocked. I mean, it might not be, but I don't know. Weird. So yeah, I thought it was a little entertaining, to be honest with you. So, things that make you go, I don't know. Alright, hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. Alright guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.